dry, chopped, dry, flaky, dry, withered, dry, arid, dry, desiccated, dry, dehydrated. How do you pronounce this word? This one, don't lie to me, just tell me the truth. You say itinerary, right? What's the itinerary for the trip? Is that what you say? First of what its meaning, it's a noun, which means a route for a journey. It's a document that shows the route that you would take in a journey or a trip. When you travel, that document that highlights everything that you will do, every location that you will visit, that document is called this word. And this word is not itinerary. This word is correctly pronounced itinerary. Itinerary, not itinerary. What's the itinerary for your Europe trip? What's the itinerary for Australia trip you have next week? Let's pronounce it together. Itinerary. I can't hear you. Itinerary. Like this video, share it if you want to grow, and of course, don't forget to follow me.
Lisa, why are you picking on your food?
I'm not picking on my food. To pick on means to criticize or to be unkind to someone in an unfair way. I'm picking at my food, which means to eat small amounts in a very uninterested way. I'm picking at my food because I feel very full. You're being mean. You're picking on me. Want to know more phrasal verbs and understand how to use them? Try Lola Speak Up. There's a special section on phrasal verbs where native speakers explain everything clearly and give real-life examples. It's way easier and much more fun, plus you practice listening. Give it a try. Lola Speak Up. First week is free. 3 feelings that probably don't exist in your language. Wanderlust. A strong, almost uncontrollable desire to travel and explore the world. For example, I get such strong wanderlust every spring. I just want to book a flight and go everywhere. Limerence. An intense romantic obsession with someone, especially in the early stages of love. For example, that feeling when you can't stop checking your phone. Yeah, that's limerence. Wholesome. Something that feels pure, heartwarming, comforting, kind, and emotionally uplifting. For example, this video of a dad dancing with his daughter is so wholesome. Stay positive. Keep your chin up.
You keep your chin up, kid.
Do keep your chin up.
Just keep your chin up.
Be in charge. Call the shots.
You call the shots.
I call the shots. I do what I want to do.
I call the shots around here.
Avoid saying something. Bite your tongue.
Bite your tongue.
Bite your tongue.
You better bite your tongue.
Someone appears when they're being talked about. Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Speak of the devil.
Stay loyal in good and bad times. Through thick and thin.
Through thick and thin.
Through thick and thin.
You're thick and thin.
Want to learn more idioms, slang, phrasal verbs, and real-life expressions? In the watch section of the Lola Speak Up, you'll find plenty of phrases from everyday English. All the expressions are explained by native speakers, providing real-life examples from their experiences. Learn new phrases and practice listening with Lola Speak Up.